You sleep for 8 hours and still wake up tired? Because the problem is not your schedule, but your deep sleep. In the next few minutes, you will know which daily habits are quietly killing your deep sleep and which science-backed switches you can use to bring it back without supplements or pills. Tell me the truth. When you wake up in the morning, do you feel fresh or just wake up? Remember this answer. The reason will be clear till the end. Deep sleep is not rest, it's repair. Most people think that sleep is a passive thing, like the body just shuts down. Wrong. Deep sleep is the phase where your brain and body go into full repair mode. At this stage, brain waves become so slow as if the brain is buffering. This is where the growth hormone is released, memories are locked, emotions are reset, muscles are repaired, and toxins are released. If you miss this stage, then everything else is useless. You can stay on bed for 8 hours and still wake up tired, foggy, and irritated. Your brain runs on a clock you're ignoring. Your sleep is not decided on bedtime. Every morning, light through your eyes sends a signal to the brain's master clock. Cortisol increases so that you wake up, and about 12 hours later, melatonin should be released so that you can sleep. The problem is that modern life hijacks this system. Bright lights at night don't just delay sleep, they delay deep sleep. That's why scrolling at 10 o'clock seems harmless and still ruins the night. Solution? Take natural light in the morning, turn off bright overhead lights at night. Your eyes set the schedule for deep sleep. Temperature is the gatekeeper. Until your core body temperature doesn't drop, deep sleep doesn't start. This is not a matter of comfort, it's biology. If the room is hot and you're restless, the reason is simple. Your brain is waiting for a signal that hasn't come yet. Now think of it as a twist. A warm shower before going to sleep actually helps. The blood goes to the skin, heat comes out, and later the core temperature cools down fast. This drop is a green signal for deep sleep. Solution? Keep the room cool, keep your feet uncovered, and let the temperature drop smartly. Caffeine lying to you. I even sleep after drinking coffee. This line has ruined thousands of people's deep sleep. Caffeine not only wakes you up, it also blocks adenosine, which builds sleep pressure. When adenosine doesn't work, your brain skips depth, even if you go to sleep immediately. So yes, you go to sleep, but the sleep architecture is damaged from the inside. Waking up is not equal to rest. Solution? Stop caffeine at least 8 hours before bedtime. If all this is changing your mind, save this video. The test is going to be done tonight. And if you want more such science-backed systems, then subscribe to the channel. In the next part, the thing will be fixed that people never notice. The 90-60-30 nervous system downshift. Most people treat bedtime like a cliff. Calm, scrolling, stress, and sudden sleep. Brain doesn't work like this. For deep sleep, you need a controlled slowdown. That's why 90 minutes before going to sleep are more important than 90 minutes in bed. Dim the lights 90 minutes before. Write down tomorrow's tasks and worries 60 minutes before. Slow down the body 30 minutes before. Stretching, deep breathing, silence. Because sleep is a process. Treat bedtime like a landing. If you do it quickly, you will get shallow sleep. Food can destroy deep sleep silently. Eating food at the wrong time doesn't wake you up. It wakes your brain up. Heavy dinner, late sugar or spicy food create micro-arousals. Blood sugar spikes. Digestion remains active, and the brain comes to the surface again and again. That's why you sleep well and still wake up tired in the morning. Solution? Stop eating 2 hours before going to sleep and try light, slow digesting food. Wake time matters more than bedtime. Most people focus on sleeping time. Ignore the time to wake up. Brain doesn't work on intentions, but on patterns. Consistent wake time locks your circadian rhythm, which sets the hormones for deep sleep the next day. When you wake up late, brain gets confused, and the depth of the night gets delayed. That's why weekends quietly destroy weekdays. Solution? Start waking up at the same time every day, even if the night is bad. People keep looking for a perfect fix. Deep sleep responds better to small stacks. Switching off screens an hour before going to sleep cuts blue light and dopamine spikes. Sleeping on the side improves brainwaves clearance. And 3-2-1 rule quietly removes the three biggest disruptors. They look small in different ways, but they are powerful together. Choose only one rule tonight. Consistency will do the rest. Deep sleep is not mysterious. It is mismanaged. Bad light, late caffeine, warm rooms, noise, and random wake times steal it. Fix them. Body will do its job. No supplements, no gadgets, just better signals. Tonight is a real test. And when you stop feeling like a punishment in the morning, then you will understand how much energy was missing. Stay tuned for next video. Stay curious. Stay Mind Minutes.